Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we have an absolutely delightful recipe in store for you, a creamy, flavorful one-pot pasta and vegetables recipe that is so easy and fast to prepare. So, roll up those sleeves, because we're about to embark on a journey to pasta perfection. Begin with the pasta. It's the heart of this dish, and it's going to soak up all those incredible flavors. Next, add a generous handful of fresh spinach. Not only does it add vibrant color, but it's also packed with nutrients. Now, let's toss in some finely sliced onions, followed by the sweet and vibrant red bell pepper. Mushrooms go in next, providing that earthy richness. Then come the black olives, adding a burst of briny goodness. Add some thinly sliced green chili peppers. And of course, don't forget the garlic. Season this medley with salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. And for that irresistible umami depth, crumble in a stock cube. Now, add vegetable oil to ensure everything cooks to perfection. You will find all the ingredients in the description box below. Carefully pour in boiling water, then turn on the heat to medium. The magic is starting to happen. When it starts to bubble, give it a good stir to make sure all those flavors are mingling together beautifully. Let it simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes, or until the pasta reaches that perfect al dente texture. And now the heavy cooking cream. Pour it in and watch as it transforms our dish into a creamy dream. Just one more minute of cooking to let those flavors meld, and then, my friends, it's time to serve. Scoop this heavenly pasta creation into a dish, and while it's still piping hot, grate some cheese over the top. The cheese will melt beautifully, adding that gooey, irresistible factor. Thanks for joining us here at Heaven's Kitchen. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heavenly dishes like this. And always remember, good food brings good mood.